Hello everyone, and welcome. In this session, we will be extracting multiple types of data to Excel at the same time. I will be using this built-in Revit sample project again to extract the room data from the Level 1 floor plan. Open the Level 1, then isolate the rooms to be used as inputs in Dynamo. Now open the Dynamo file that is used to export rooms information to Excel. Before we start, I will create another Excel file. Then browse for this file. Data appeared because automatic mode has been activated. Now I will rename this sheet to be the word names. Then add another sheet for the areas. The last one is for the numbers. I will solve this exercise in two methods. The first one by exporting data in separate sheets. I will save the file and start with the second method. In the first method, I will simply duplicate the first solution. Therefore, I will use the same file path and the same overwrite condition. We need 3 export functions, one for each variable. The string nodes in the first method will contain the names of the sheets. Each sheet will have a unique name, as indicated in the Excel file. I will add 4 more number nodes to specify the data location in the Excel file. Now I will connect the data. This method completed successfully. For the second method, I will create a new sheet. I will choose Sheet 1 as a name for it. Then, I will link all the nodes to the same sheet. Choose the location of data to be exported to Excel. In Excel, only one order were reflected out of 3. This issue can be solved by changing the data overwrite mode. This method completed successfully. Now I will create groups for further clarification. Then rename them. Then change their color and save your work. This is the end. Thank you.